So much of the movie takes place in a world that Giselle has wished for. To make the movie special, it really required a very special setting. Ireland became the greatest proposition for how to make this fairy tale come to life.
It's just breathtakingly beautiful. You see the woods and the fields and the architecture, all of that is very magical, and it really lends itself to a fairy tale life.
We were lucky enough to have Enniskerry welcome us and be so open about us legitimately taking over the entire little village and transforming it.
Even just driving by and seeing every little storefront and all the fun little names, it's just been so beautifully done.
We went from this beautiful village of Enniskerry to beautiful waterfalls in Powers Court. Every location was remarkable because there are so many places in Ireland that just look like a fairy tale as they are.
It's perfect picture book settings for this type of movie. Working in Ireland has just been a dream. Everybody is so warm and friendly. They're not afraid to have a laugh.
I don't know if it's just the Irish. I feel like everyone's happy and everyone's got a smile on their face.
I feel like I got in on a little secret of such an incredible place, and I've just fallen in love. It feels like a fairy tale.